So, what if I told you that you have a superpower? One that can literally change your state of mind in a single instant. And the best part? It's with you right now. It's your breath. Today, we're going to explore this simple, profound, and, let's be honest, often totally overlooked miracle of mindful breathing.
Just think about that. Right now, in this very moment, you are breathing. It's happening automatically without you doing a thing. It's nourishing every single cell in your body, keeping you alive. It is the most constant, reliable rhythm of your entire life.
You know, it's the very first gift we get when we arrive in this world, and it's the last one we let go of. We take millions, probably billions of breaths in between, but how often do we actually stop to feel one? And that simple question, well, that's the key to everything we're about to unlock.
So how do we actually do that? How do we turn this automatic function into this incredible tool for transformation? Well, it all starts with seeing our breath for what it really is. It's not just biology, it's a bridge. It's the bridge that connects your thoughts to your physical body.
And this quote just nails it, doesn't it? I mean, think about it. When you're stressed out or angry, what happens to your breath? It gets all short and shallow, right? But when you're calm and relaxed, it's slow, it's deep. Your mind and your breath are in this constant conversation.
And here's where the magic really happens. This isn't just a one-way street where your mind is bossing your breath around. Oh no, it works in reverse. By consciously changing the way you breathe, you can directly change the way you feel and think. You actually get to lead that conversation.
And this slide, this just lays out the science of it perfectly. When you're breathing fast and shallow up in your chest, you're basically sending a panic signal to your nervous system. You're turning on your fight or flight response. But when you intentionally slow that breath down, make it deeper, you're sending a signal of safety. You're activating your rest and recover system. You are literally using your breath to flip a switch inside your own body. How cool is that?
But hey, this isn't just a feeling. This isn't some mystical idea. The practice of mindful breathing creates real, measurable, physical changes in our brains and our bodies. So let's dive into what the science actually says.
Okay, take a look at this number, 47%. Any guesses what that is? It has everything to do with where your mind is right now, or on any given day, really. That's it. A Harvard study found that for nearly half of our waking lives, we aren't even here. Our minds are off somewhere else, worrying about the future, replaying the past. And the study found a direct link. The more our minds wander, the less happy we tend to be. Your breath is the anchor that brings you back home, right here to the present moment. And the benefits of dropping that anchor are so concrete. It seems like consistent practice can literally rewire your brain. For instance, studies show it can actually shrink the brain's fear center, the amygdala, and thicken the part responsible for focus and good decisions. It also boosts something called heart rate variability, or HRV. You can think of HRV as a measure of your body's ability to handle stress. The higher your HRV, the more resilient you are.
Okay, so that's the theory, but honestly, the real power is in the practice. And the beautiful thing about this is you can start this very second wherever you are. And the exercise is so simple, it's almost revolutionary.
So let's just try it for a quick moment. Just get comfortable. You don't need to change your breath or force anything. Just notice it. As the air comes into your body, just have the thought, breathing in. And as the air leaves your body, breathing out.
And that's it. Seriously, that is the entire practice. There's nothing you're supposed to achieve. There's no goal to become a good breather. You're just gently and kindly returning your awareness to the simple fact that you are alive and breathing right here in this moment.
All right, now this is where it gets really powerful. How do we take this simple exercise and weave it into the fabric of our actual, messy, busy lives? This is where the breath stops being a formal thing you do on a cushion and becomes a practical, in-the-moment tool for a better life. This idea from Viktor Frankl is everything. I mean, think about your day. A frustrating email lands in your inbox. Someone cuts you off in traffic. That's the stimulus. Our automatic reaction is often, well, not our best self. Your breath is what creates that precious, life-changing space between what happens to you and how you choose to respond. And here's how simple it is. The next time you feel that flash of anger or irritation bubbling up, before you say or type anything, just try this. First, just pause. Acknowledge the feelings there. Oh, yep, there's anger. Second, take 3 slow, conscious breaths. Inhale. Exhale. And third, from that slightly calmer place, then you choose your response. I know it sounds too simple to work, but it is unbelievably powerful.
And you can find these moments everywhere. Those little bits of wasted time, waiting for your coffee, stuck at a red light. They become little opportunities to come back to yourself. Before you hit send on that tense email, take 1 breath. Before you walk into that big meeting, take 3. These tiny little pauses can completely change the direction of your day. As we start to wrap this up, it all comes back to this one simple, powerful truth. Your breath isn't something you have to earn. It's not something you have to work for. It is a gift given to you moment after moment after moment.
See, most of the time we treat it like a machine, just an automatic process we ignore. But what if, just for your very next breath, you chose to receive it not as a function, but as a conscious gift? As a reminder that you're here, you're alive, and you have this power to be present for your own life. So go on, take a breath. It just might change everything.